Inside this video, you're going to learn how to make your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing. If you stay to the end of this video, you'll find out how to pick a winning product, how to get traffic to that product, and how to build a long-term business in the future. If you get any kind of value from this video whatsoever, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more content on affiliate marketing. And if you want to know my #1 way to make money with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link down below inside the description of this video. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the method. So you want to know how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing, and you've probably tried a lot of different methods, including things like ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus, but they're just not working. Well, the strategy that I'm about to show you in this video works because it worked for me, and this strategy is called high ticket affiliate marketing. There's going to be 3 things that we are going to be doing inside of this video that allow us to make our first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. First off, we have to find a good product to promote. This product needs to be backed by a strong brand so that people recognize the brand and they're more eager to buy from us. Next, we have to drive traffic to it. And inside this video, if you keep watching, I'm going to show you a traffic source where you don't even have to show your face, and it's a completely untapped traffic source. Lastly, if you want to build a long-term business, you have to start collecting email addresses to promote affiliate links on the back end to your customers. That way you can create some recurring income and create an affiliate business that will pay you daily for a long time in the future. So now that you know the steps, let's go ahead and jump into step #1, which is finding a profitable product to promote. Out of all my research, the #1 best high-ticket affiliate marketing product to promote for beginners is Legendary Marketer. I've actually been able to make money with Legendary Marketer myself, but all the time I'm seeing beginners making money with the digital marketing education system called Legendary Marketer. For example, we can take a look here at Twinkie Hustle. They've actually made $40,000 in 3 months using some of the methods that I teach inside of this video, promoting Legendary Marketer. So the 2 reasons why I recommend Legendary Marketer to promote if you're looking to make your first $1,000 as an affiliate are #1, they promote for you. So once you go ahead and refer somebody to Legendary Marketer, there's a sales team in the back end of Legendary Marketer that's going to help bring your customers to make purchases for you. So you don't have to do any of the selling or the marketing yourself. Next, there's a high commission structure inside of Legendary Marketer, and you can actually earn up to 60% affiliate commission for all the products inside of their product line. As you can see here, you can earn up to 60% commission through subscriptions. You can also earn up to 40% commission on courses and 30% commission on masterminds and coaching. So if we scroll down, you can actually see what the different products cost and the different commission rates that you can make as an affiliate. So you have the pro commission rate and the basic commission rate for Legendary Marketer. The pro commission rate is if you are a subscriber to the monthly subscription, which allows you to become a pro affiliate. So that way you're going to be making $18 instead of $9 on, let's say, the Legendary Marketers Club. Or if you take a look at the Traffic University, you'd be making $598 per sale instead of $149 per sale. And because Legendary Marketer offers such great commission rates, that's the #1 reason why I recommend promoting them as your first affiliate product if you're looking to make your first $1,000 inside affiliate marketing. Before I jump into the strategy of promoting affiliate products like Legendary Marketer, I'll just go ahead and log in real quick to show you the affiliate dashboard and the tools that you get if you're an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. So I'm currently in the back end of Legendary Marketer's dashboard, and as you can see here at the top, you have the account setting, and then you can go down to the affiliates tab. This is going to be your affiliate dashboard, which is going to contain all your tools for promoting Legendary Marketer. And the #1 place you want to be at over here is the funnel section. So click on funnels and then the business challenge light theme. This is going to be the #1 product that you're going to be promoting inside of Legendary Marketer, especially when using this strategy that I'm teaching you. And if you want to get started promoting Legendary Marketer, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description of this video. So then you go ahead and click on affiliate links, and this is where all your affiliate links are going to be. This is the main affiliate link for Legendary Marketer's 15-day business builder challenge, and I recommend using either this affiliate link or scrolling all the way down and using this one right here if you want Legendary Marketer to collect email leads on your behalf. Now, before I actually go into the strategy of getting traffic to your affiliate links, I want to go ahead and talk about another product just in case Legendary Marketer isn't allowed inside of your country, because there's certain countries that you're not able to join Legendary Marketer just because of certain restrictions. So product #2 is called the 3-Day Challenge by Jonathan Montoya. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below in the description for this product. go ahead and use this product as a replacement for Legendary Marketer if your country doesn't allow you to promote Legendary Marketer. They're going to be offering you 50 to 75% commissions on all the products inside of the funnel, and it's extremely easy to promote on places like TikTok and other social media channels. So now that you have a product to promote, let's go ahead and move on to step number 2, which is getting traffic to your affiliate link. And the traffic source that I recommend is actually Twitter. Now you're probably thinking, who uses Twitter for affiliate marketing? But I've actually been able to grow over 43,000 followers on Twitter and make thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, promoting different products like Legendary Marketer on this platform. And if you keep watching this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to actually get traffic to your affiliate links and grow a Twitter account that can make you sales on autopilot. So first things first is we have to create your Twitter account the right way. And that includes getting your bio set up correctly, getting your website set up correctly, and using arrows and emojis the correct way in order to get clicks on your links. So what I recommend is creating a bio that has a format of the what, why, and then a call to action. So you're going to have what your account's going to be about. So I recommend talking about affiliate marketing. Number 2, you have to have your why people should follow you. So for me, it's $5,000 per month on Twitter. And then lastly, you have your call to action. So in my case, it's grab my free course to learn how I grew my account and how I make $5,000 tweeting. But in your case, I recommend saying something more along the lines of, click here to learn how to start your affiliate marketing business. Next, there's going to be 2 places that you can place your links in order to get more attention on those links and ultimately get more clicks on that affiliate link. So number 1 is going to be inside your bio, and then number 2 is going to be inside the website section. But in order to get clicks on that website section, I like to use the location box to have my other call to action. So for my case, it's subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then I use the downward pointing emoji in order to get more eyes on that link. So if we break down the template of your bio message just a little bit more, you need to have your main niche or what you talk about inside that first part of your bio so people know what kind of account you are and why they should follow you. Next, have some kind of success statement, or you can have some kind of intriguing statement like, this is how I'm making my first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. Click here to find out how. You can either build your email list, which we'll talk about later in this video, or you can go ahead and just put your Legendary Marketer affiliate link inside of that space. Now, you don't need any kind of followers for this method to work out in the beginning, but eventually you're going to want to grow your Twitter account so you can make more money with affiliate marketing. So this is how you grow your Twitter account step by step. Number 1 is you need to find relevant accounts that are in your niche. Comment on those accounts 20 to 30 times per day. Make sure that you're targeting accounts that have over 1,000 followers because this is going to get the most exposure to your brand and your bio. So people are going to start clicking that follow button and clicking on your link inside of your bio. Next, you want to tweet about 3 times per day, and I recommend using viral tweet topics to get views. So what do I mean by this? So if we head over to my Twitter account, we'll go to the home feed, and I'm going to show you some tweets that are going viral. And what you need to do is just copy those tweet topics and turn them into your own content. So here's one about how much is gas in your area, because right now, filming this video, gas prices have gone up. So this is a viral tweet topic, and they're getting attention because of that topic. So if we just click on here, they have 17,000 followers. And another good way to get content ideas is by clicking on people's accounts and then going to their pinned tweet, because it's usually one of the most viral tweets on their account. So in this case, it's if you're in your 20s, you need to read daily, exercise daily, start a side hustle, things like that. So you would take this kind of content, change the wording, and turn it into your own tweet content for your timeline. Next, I recommend placing your affiliate link underneath your tweet, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a second. Lastly, you need to retweet other accounts about 5 to 10 times per day. This lets Twitter know that you're an active account and that you're engaging with other accounts on Twitter. Now, when it comes to tweeting out your affiliate link, there's 2 strategies that I recommend. Number 1 is tweeting underneath a viral tweet, and number 2 are standalone tweets. So when it comes to tweeting under a viral tweet, the rules are you need to wait 10 to 30 minutes after your first tweet goes live. This is in order to just get the most exposure to that affiliate link, because you're going to allow Twitter to get that tweet running in their algorithm, and then more people are going to be clicking on your affiliate link. Because when you post links on Twitter all by themselves, it kind of does kill your engagement rate on that specific tweet. So what I like to do is come up with a viral tweet topic. I wait 10 to 30 minutes, and then I post my affiliate link underneath that topic. I also like to follow the flow of the tweet. So in this case, it says 30 minutes of reading a day will change the way you think. Well, my tweet under that was my recommendation: start by buying and reading this Twitter guide, because it will help your account grow and change the way that you think about money. And of course, clickbaiting is okay because you want to get the most amount of clicks on that affiliate link as possible. Now, here are some more examples of tweeting underneath a viral tweet. So you can see on the left here, this is my step-by-step method. So this is what I use when I have a longer tweet that has a bunch of different steps. I like to talk about my journey and then recommend what others should do step-by-step underneath my first tweet. Next, here in the middle is called a sales tweet. This tweet style is very upfront and in your face, but it does work really well. So you can see I have a very strong call to action, and I basically tell people exactly what to do if they want to get the kind of results that I have. Lastly is the clickbait one, and that's the one I showed you previously. This is just a goal for you to get the most amount of clicks on your affiliate link as possible. So you don't really tell them a whole lot in regards to what's behind that link that they're clicking. You're just trying to get those clicks. Next, we have standalone tweets. That's when you're tweeting out your affiliate link inside of a standalone tweet. So the rules are they don't get much engagement by themselves. So you really need to have a strong call to action and use emojis to get people to engage with this tweet. It's best to use for testimonials. So if you're promoting a product where other people have made money, go ahead and take a screenshot of some kind of testimonial for that product, let's say Legendary Marketer, post that inside of Twitter with a call to action to click on your affiliate link. This works really well if you use it sparingly, about once every 3 days, and then all the other days, make sure you're tweeting your affiliate link underneath your viral tweet content. So now that you have your affiliate link ready and you have your Twitter all set up, you're ready to start getting attention and clicks on those affiliate links. Now it's time to start building your long-term business inside step number 3, which is building an email list for your affiliate business. When it comes to collecting emails for your affiliate marketing business, there's no other email marketing software that I recommend besides GetResponse. I personally use GetResponse, and it works really well for me inside of my business. And actually, they have a completely free plan. So if you want to follow along step by step, go ahead and sign up for the free plan. I'll leave a link down below inside of the description. But if I click on pricing right here, you'll see up to 500 contacts. It's completely free. So that's going to last you for a while because it is going to take you time to build up your email list. So you might as well just take advantage of that free account plan. Once you sign up for GetResponse, you're going to see a dashboard that looks like this. And the first thing we're going to do is create a brand new list for our affiliate marketing. So I would click on list here and I'd hit create list, and I'm going to call this test affiliate marketing, and then I would hit create. After that, we have our list all ready to go, and now it's time to create our landing page to collect email addresses. So I would go up to create, and then I would hit create new landing page. Now we're going to go ahead and build from scratch. So click on show templates, and then we're going to go with the plain template right here. So select that one, and we're going to call this one test affiliate page. Next step. Now you're going to see a dashboard that looks like this for you to customize your landing page. So I like to keep things very simple. So we're going to go ahead and delete this logo. We'll delete this logo. And we'll go ahead and leave this headline, but we'll bring it up to the top. And then we will also bring up everything else so that it's in line with our headline. The whole point is for people to put in their email addresses. So we're going to go ahead and look at Legendary Marketer, and we'll see here that their headline is free video for anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin. So that's what you could use inside of your bold landing page. Okay, so I entered in a bold headline. Now I'm going to go ahead and just change this color to black so it stands out better. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and change this content right here. So they're not actually downloading anything. So we don't want this to say download. We'll just say yes, show me. Now we're going to change this. We're going to say enter your email address to watch the free video. And I'm going to go ahead and change this to black also, just so that it looks a little bit better. We're going to keep this green, and we're going to keep these the same. So now that we have our landing page built, we're just keeping it very, very simple. Now we're going to go to the thank you page. We don't need all of this stuff on the thank you page, so go ahead and delete that. And we're going to go ahead and delete this. And then we're just going to move this information over to the middle. And they're not going to be getting a free ebook, so it's just a free video. So we're going to go ahead and say congratulations, and then change this content to check your email for the free video. And I would also delete this button because there's nothing for them to download. So now that we have this, we're keeping it very simple. I'll just move this down to the middle, and then we'll change this to black to make it match. Once we do that, then our thank you page is all ready to go. So now we'll just check out the mobile version. Okay, let's go mobile. Looks great. We'll go back to this. We'll check out the mobile version again, and there we go. Looks perfect. So that's going to be exactly what we want for our landing page in order to collect emails to promote affiliate products like Legendary Marketer on the back end. So I would go ahead and click next step. And this is the section where we can go ahead and edit the settings inside of the landing page. So I would just scroll down, and you could change the name of this if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and keep it the same. And then we're going to go ahead and choose our list. And if you remember, it was called Test Affiliate Marketing. So that's going to be the list that's going to be connected to this landing page. So every time somebody enters in their email, they're going to go over to that list so that you can send them an email with the link to Legendary Marketer. After all the settings are done and everything looks great, you can just keep this all the same. Go ahead and hit publish, and your landing page will be live. So now that you have your email list set up and your landing page, you can choose to either promote your landing page inside of Twitter, or you can choose to just go ahead and promote the Legendary Marketer affiliate link right there inside your bio, and you're going to be able to start getting traffic to your affiliate links from day number 1. So if you're serious about building an affiliate marketing business, I invite you to go ahead and sign up for Legendary Marketer down below in the description. Also, start promoting on Twitter. It's really a great platform. And if you want to learn more about Twitter and affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are coming up on the screen now. I'm David, and make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content on affiliate marketing, and I will see you inside of the next video.